we have this big data, we have a huge amount of data, and it's clear that it's difficult to find a way to do something with data. So in order to be able to use the data in a proper way, we need to solve a customer problem. So for that, we need to identify what is the problem and how can we make the data available so that we make better use of the data. So again, I would say a presentation of the data, easy access to the data, and I believe digitization and the cloud solution is really the key to be able to access this data, right? So that's one very important point, because data standard, if you think about a user today in a port, he has access to so many data. Every supplier has its own format. He has maybe different computer with different software, and he has to handle all that thing. So we really need to think as supplier, how can we make life of those users easier, right? How can we make our data in a way that they are easier accessible to the user? So that's really the trend that we should think about in the future. How can we, as a manufacturer, work closer together? So one of the important thing is port efficiency. We see it's a recurrent problem. Everybody's talking about how can we improve the efficiency. And I really see a value in using environmental data to that. When you get access to sea-state data, it definitely helps to improve the port operation and also to support decision making in terms of go, no go for the ships. Then one of the things is being greener, of course. That's something everybody's concerned about. How can we reduce CO2 emissions? How can we reduce fuel consumptions? How can we solve pollution's problem? So that's one point also, and the latest one I would say, yeah, go digital, everything in the cloud, make things much easier for everyone. So at Miros, we develop radar solutions. So customers, they contact us because we have robust solutions. So that's one of the things they like about our solution, being robust. Not being in the water. So we provide dry sensor, which means that you don't have a problem with maintenance installation. They ask us about cloud solutions, and also one of the things they ask is we have an oil spill detection system, so that's something that has been very popular among ports and terminals. And I would say also cloud solution, because that's something new, and we see that there is a huge interest for that. So our solution support the industry in a way that it help in providing better efficiency in post operation. So they save money, they reduce the pollution, they optimize the fuel consumption. And then we have a decision support making as well, based on the weather conditions. And we also have this oil spill solution that is really useful to the industry in terms that we can monitor if there is an oil spill, and then we can also improve the reaction time in case of an oil spill. Yes.